In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and restore a Confluence page. Archiving is a safe way to clean up your workspace without deleting valuable content. It hides a page from regular navigation and search, but keeps it intact so you can bring it back later. To begin, open the Confluence page you want to archive. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct page, especially if it has child pages or is linked from other places. You'll need the appropriate permissions in the space to archive, so if you don't see the option later, that might be why. With the page open, look toward the top right for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled More Actions. Click that to open the full list of page options. From the menu, select Archive. Confluence will display a confirmation message. Read it carefully so you understand exactly what will happen. The page will be removed from regular page trees and most search results, but it won't be deleted, and its history and permissions will be preserved. This is especially helpful for content that's outdated but still needs to be referenced occasionally. When you're comfortable with the change, confirm that you want to archive the page. Confluence will process the request and move the page out of active view. If you ever need to look at the page again, you can check the Archived Pages area for your space. Depending on your Confluence setup, you'll typically find an Archived Pages section within the space's navigation or settings. That area lists everything that's been archived so you can review it without restoring it. Keep in mind that links to an archived page will still work for users who have access, but the page won't clutter your active content or appear in routine browsing. When it's time to make the page active again, restoring it is just as straightforward. Open the archived page from the Archived Pages area, use the same three-dot More Actions menu, and choose Restore. Confluence will confirm the action and return the page to its original place in the hierarchy, along with its previous permissions and history. After restoring, consider giving the page a quick review to ensure any outdated information is updated before you share it widely. And that's it. You've learned how to archive a Confluence page, verify it in the Archived Pages area, and restore it when needed, keeping your workspace tidy without losing important content.